So if you have a 328i E90, you want to do a dual exhaust setup, pretty much this would be the setup you'll want to get. And fitment, look at that. That fitment is pretty good. And for the wells, 2 hours later. Not really. So after going through 2 cans with 4 coats, was it worth doing it myself? Well, you tell me, because this looked pretty good. Looks pretty good. There is a defect right here, but I could buff that out. It ain't gonna take nothing to buff that when I'm doing the rest of the car. But this is pretty nice. I'm gonna just leave it here for 2 more days, let it cure. The environment was pretty good. It was like a, 94 today with a garage lock. The heat was in here. It was pretty awesome just to spray it in here. It was pretty good. And as you can see, it was a good reason to put this down because it would have probably messed up the floor. But these bad boys, I am telling you, like, I like it. When they say 4 times faster, they mean that shit. Turbo system, oh, they mean it. The coverage was pretty good. Normal aerosol can normally give you that round dot when you spray. You spray, just give you that circle. This, as you can see, 10-inch fan spray long, bro, that's how it hits. It's pretty good. So you're able to cover a lot of area fast. All right. Now that we got the bumper installed, we're here to do the muffler. Already got the tip, and the guys are gonna get the job done. So he's about to put it on the left. I'm gonna take this thing off.
So behind the diffuser.
How far we reach on the dual exhaust setup? So right now we're dropping the Y. We already had the extra pipe in with a nice fucking bend. It's a perfect fit with a tip right here. So now he's cutting the pipe to weld this side to get it up there. All right, so what we're doing now is to see if the tips are lined up properly before we do the tack, and then we do a complete weld. Currently, we're just gonna weld on the tip to the pipe, and then we leave from here, go to the back end of the pipe, and then do the same welding. So far, so good. I'm loving it. Right now, we're gonna do the same thing to the lower end of the pipe and give it a full weld down here, because the fitment is pretty perfect, so there's no need to do a second check. But I was always wondering how he's going to do the top, if he's not going to take it down to get it done. But hey, he is the man. We got it done easily. It's looking good, looking good. I would let y'all hear how it sounds after this is finished, but there's so many videos already displaying this. I just want to show you guys the perfect way how to do the installation. Okay, we're here in AutoZone, so now we're looking for the heat reflector, so we could protect those other items which shouldn't be getting any heat from the exhaust. And we want one which is crack and peel, has the adhesive on the back. This one will work. Yep, heat screen. This one will work. Now that we're back at home, sorry for the lighting, it's a bit bad right now. I bought some flat black to spray inside here so you don't see the weldings. My boy Alex didn't have any of it at his shop. We're doing the same thing for this one. And under here, as you can see how they run the pipes, which is pretty good, bro. They did good. This area was the area we bought the heat reflector for. So these components shouldn't be getting any heat, especially this box right here. So as you can see, there's heat shield from that corner coming all the way down here. The whole under here is already heat shield. So what we're gonna do is so what you want to do is to install a heat shield along this area to protect all these components. You want to stick it all the way into the top. Pretty much heat shouldn't be getting in any of these spots. You want to stick it as far as possible you can. You might need to remove the diffuser just to get it Okay, here it is in all its glory. As I said earlier, I had to remove the diffuser to do the insulation just for more space to work with. Pretty much I applied it from the lower end all the way to the top. I didn't have much left over to cover the other small spot, but it's looking good. I'm liking it so far, and it's definitely going to work. All right, so this is the first cold start. Actually, this is the following day. I have a microphone set up in the back so you guys will be able to hear it loud and clear. And yeah, here we go. Hope you guys enjoy.